Good afternoon. Today's video I'm going to show you a quick recipe on how to pickle asparagus spears. So first of all, you're going to need asparagus. You're going to need distilled white vinegar, sea salt, a cup of water, peppercorn. You're going to need garlic cloves and dill and some sugar, white sugar, and of course a canning jar and a saucepan. So what you want to, I already cleaned my asparagus and I've already cut them down to the size to where they're going to fit in my canning jar. So I'm going to set these aside for now. Put them over there. And the dill, we got fresh dill straight out of our garden, and our garlic is straight out of our garden. These are garlic cloves. Okay, so in the saucepan you want to dump 1 cup of water. You want to dump 2 cups of white vinegar. There's 1. There's 2. It fills it up pretty much. Then the sea salt, you're going to take 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Do this one-handed. I'm going to do a heaping teaspoon or tablespoon sea salt. Then we're going to do a tablespoon of peppercorn. I can scoop that out. Peppercorn I'm going to put directly into the canning jar. Then you want to take 2 tablespoons of sugar, white sugar. Dump that into your saucepan. Now we want to bring that concoction right there up to a rolling boil. So turn it up high, let that boil. And in the meantime, we're gonna chop up that dill a little finer, and we're gonna add the dill into the canning jar. And then we're gonna also add in our asparagus into the canning jar. Now I'm going to put my asparagus upside down so the spears are at the bottom of the jar. So in the meantime, let's let this come to a boil. Alright, I've chopped my dill up a little finer, and I'm going to take a good pinch and I'm going to add that directly into the bottom of the canning jar. And then I'm going to grab a couple of these cloves of garlic, add them into the bottom of the canning jar. And now I'm going to stuff my asparagus spears inside the jar and try to get as many in there as I possibly can. Can't do it one-handed, so hold up. Alright, I got my asparagus stuffed down in my jar. I got the spears pointing down. I got in almost that whole plate. That's what I got left over, but that's still quite a few spears in there. So now that I got that packed, I'm going to take just a little bit more peppercorn, not much, and just sprinkle it on top. I'm going to take a couple more cloves of garlic, put them on top. Put 1 more in there. And then I'm going to take some more dill and lay it on top. Kind of flatten it out a little bit. Like yay. And it's ready to go. It's going to look similar, somewhat like that. We're still waiting for our concoction to boil. It's getting there. I stirred it around to make sure the sugar completely melted, turned liquid. Okay, and then once that comes to a boil, we're going to pour that into the jar. Hold up. Okay, we got our concoction boiling nicely. That's the boil you want, a nice rolling boil. Let's turn the heat down off. And next we're going to take and pour it into our jar over our asparagus. All the way to the jar's full. And just like, yeah, it's totally submerged. Like that. And right away, while it's still really hot, I'm going to put my lid on. Let me screw it down tight. And there you have it. You have pickled asparagus, the easiest recipe you can come up with. And it'll, once this lid seals, which it's almost sealed already, once it's sealed, you could keep this stuff on a shelf for quite a while to preserve your asparagus. Ready to eat. You pull it out. I like to shake it around a little bit to get them spices I added at the bottom mixed in a little better. And there it is. Already looks delicious. You can just open the jar and eat them straight out of the jar if you want, or however you want to eat them. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Peace.